Keeping electrical distribution equipment performing at optimum levels is critical to your operational success. But securing its uptime can be challenging, especially when you have an aging installation, budget constraints, and a limited team available. On top of that, you also have to deal with increasing energy costs and ongoing digitization, all whilst keeping sustainability a top priority. More than ever, you require a trusted service partner to help you meet the demands of today's world. One with expertise in electrical distribution equipment, along with digital capabilities to support your operations, help reduce downtime, protect your people and assets, extend the life of your assets, and contribute to your sustainability goals. Ugh, seems like quite a challenge, right? Well, we are ready to support you. Introducing EcoCare for electrical distribution equipment, a service membership which combines the depth of our expertise with innovative digital capabilities across the entire life cycle of your electrical distribution equipment. How does it work? From day one of the installation of your equipment, a customer success management team becomes the go-to coach, orchestrating remote and on-site service experts. Asset data is collected and uploaded onto the Schneider Electric cloud, enabling our experts to proactively monitor the environmental and health status 24/7. Schneider Electric experts analyze the data using advanced algorithms that allow them to share maintenance recommendations and insights into your operations. What if an issue is detected? There's no need to worry. That's the reason we monitor asset status continuously, so we can filter the alarms and notify you in case of a critical issue. If this happens, we'll begin remote troubleshooting. But if that's not enough, we'll dispatch a Schneider Electric qualified field services representative to go on site and fix the issue. With fast and exclusive access to world-class experts, EcoCare members can also benefit from condition-based maintenance, meaning we'll perform on-site activities at the right moment, when needed. And it doesn't end there. You can also benefit from specialized training, either online or on-site, to help empower your team. Member rates on spare parts and other services, along with 24/7 access to our My Schneider portal, your personalized digital experience, where you can see your service history, reports, warranty status, online chat, and more. With EcoCare, Schneider Electric expertise helps you on your decarbonization journey to make the most of your energy and resources. Transform your operations, take care of your people and assets, and improve your electrical asset management today with EcoCare for electrical distribution equipment.